I finally bit the bullet and bought the Tundra V2. So today we're going to check out what's inside the box and do a quick build overview of the aircraft. In the box you get a molded fuselage, pontoon set, wings, elevator, a candy dropper adapter, the carbon spar for the wings, a bag with the FPV canopy, prop, gear, and water rudder. You get tires, and a small bag with a bunch of little accessories like screwdriver, Allen key, mounting hardware, the tail wheel, vortex generators, and receiver velcro. That's all for what's in the box. Now let's get to the build. Now in terms of building material quality, I would give the Tundra 5 out of 5 because Durafly did a great job in using brass inserted bolts instead of a lot of those crappy screws that you see on most models. And in terms of build time, I would give it a 4 out of 5. It took me about 2 hours to build this entire thing. And being a foamy plug and fly, I would give the build level an intermediate as you have to install the linkages and center the servos yourself. And now, the Durafly Tundra.